Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P08B6 indicates an issue with the clutch pedal position sensor B. Specifically, that the output signal from the sensor is lower than the specified value recognized by the Vehicle Stability Assist VSA modulator-control unit. This output is essential for the Powertrain Control Module PCM to ensure proper vehicle operation and performance. The clutch pedal stroke sensor is integrated with the clutch pedal itself, typically located near the driver's footwell. The PCM uses input from this sensor to determine if the clutch is being engaged or disengaged correctly. Detecting abnormalities signifies potential issues in the vehicle's electronic control systems, potentially causing performance degradation or unsafe driving conditions. Ensuring the integrity of components and circuits associated with this sensor is vital for optimal vehicle functionality. DTC P08B6 signifies a malfunction in the clutch pedal stroke sensor. This sensor plays a crucial role in relaying the position of the clutch pedal to the PCM, which is necessary for systems like cruise control and transmission management to function smoothly. If this sensor's output signal, in conjunction with the VSA modulator control unit, is below a defined threshold, the PCM identifies this as an abnormal condition, leading to DTC storage. The sensor is found integrated with the physical clutch pedal assembly, situated in the driver's side footwell. Ensuring accurate clutch pedal position readings is vital for vehicle stability and performance, since incorrect readings can lead to erratic vehicle responses during operation. There are several possible causes for the triggering of DTC P08B6. Firstly, a faulty clutch pedal stroke sensor could be the primary issue, meaning it does not register appropriate position readings. Secondly, issues within the external circuit, which connect to the sensor and the VSA, can lead to signal loss or degradation, causing the reported low value. The third potential cause is a malfunction in the VSA modulator control unit itself, which processes the signals it receives from multiple sensors, including the clutch pedal position sensor. It's essential to investigate these possibilities methodically during troubleshooting to determine the root cause accurately. Several symptoms may be associated with DTC P08B6, signaling potential issues for the driver. One primary indicator is the illumination of a warning light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a malfunction within the clutch system. Erratic clutch engagement may be experienced, causing inconsistent vehicle responses such as difficulty shifting gears or unexpected acceleration behavior. As a result, overall vehicle performance may be reduced, impacting drivability and safety. Drivers may also notice an increase in vehicle vibration at specific speeds, indicating underlying problems with clutch engagement due to erroneous sensor readings. For the first troubleshooting step, start by inspecting the clutch pedal stroke sensor. Ensure the 4P connector for this sensor is disconnected to avoid any erroneous readings. The next step is to turn the vehicle to the ignition mode to access the sensor's readings without the engine running. With the HDS Honda Diagnostic System tool, measure the output voltage at the sensor terminals, specifically looking for a value around 5.0 volts. If the voltage is significantly lower than expected, it may indicate a problem with the sensor itself. This voltage check is crucial because it provides initial insight into whether the sensor is functioning correctly and provides a basis for further investigation. In the second troubleshooting step, begin by using a jumper wire to bridge terminals number 1 and number 3 of the disconnected clutch pedal stroke sensor 4P connector. Turn the vehicle to the on mode to simulate sensor function with the jumper in place. This helps verify if the readings would return to normal. Using the HDS tool again, confirm the voltage value for clutch pedal stroke sensor 2 voltage. Ideally, this should again reflect a value close to 5 volts. If this reading remains normal, this points toward an issue specifically with the clutch pedal stroke sensor. However, if the voltage is still abnormal, it suggests the presence of a fault in another related component in the signal path. Next, you'll inspect the external circuit associated with the clutch pedal stroke sensor. Ensure both the VSA modulator control unit and the clutch pedal stroke sensor connectors are disconnected prior to testing. One critical aspect of this inspection is to check the CSS 5V wire for continuity. The specification indicates that there must not be an open circuit. Under normal conditions, resistance should be less than 1 ohm. This is essential for ensuring that the power supply is adequate for the sensor to function. Repeat similar checks for the CSS SIG2 signal wire and CSS GND ground wire to ensure that there are no breaks in these connections. Utilizing the diagnostic voltage and resistance measurements to confirm circuit integrity throughout. In this final troubleshooting step, focus your attention on the VSA modulator control unit. This is warranted only if all previous steps regarding the clutch pedal stroke sensor and its circuits have indicated normal conditions. If everything checks out, but the DTC persists, it strongly suggests that the VSA modulator control unit might be at fault. At this point, review diagnostic codes related to this unit to ensure there are no additional products. Replacing or repairing the VSA modulator control unit may resolve the issue, restoring normal clutch operation and validating the sensor readings. Properly diagnosing and addressing this unit can eliminate multiple potential driving concerns. After completing repairs related to DTC P08B6, it's crucial to conduct a final verification to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Begin by clearing the DTC using the HDS tool, which resets the diagnostic codes stored in the PCM. Following the DTC clearance, perform a thorough test drive to monitor how the vehicle behaves. It's important to pay attention to clutch operation, ensuring smooth engagement and disengagement. If the system remains free of warning indicators and operates normally during the test, it confirms that the issues have been successfully resolved. Such verifications reinforce the reliability of the repairs and validate the integrity of the vehicle's electronic systems. Implementing preventive maintenance can significantly diminish the chances of encountering issues like DTC P08B6 in the future. Begin with regular checks on the clutch pedal stroke sensor and the associated wiring to ensure that everything remains in optimal working condition. Inspections can reveal physical damage or signs of wear before they develop into serious problems. It's also vital to keep the Vehicle Stability Assist software updated, since manufacturers regularly release updates to enhance functionality and fix known issues. Regular maintenance schedules will not only ensure smooth performance, but will save on future repairs by catching abnormalities early. In summary, understanding DTC P08B6, which indicates a low output from the clutch pedal position sensor B, is critical for ensuring your Honda Civic operates smoothly. Following a systematic approach during troubleshooting helps identify whether the issue lies with the sensor, its connections, or the VSA modulator control unit. Rigorous testing of the sensor and related circuits is crucial for effective diagnosis. Furthermore, after repairs, verification through clearing DTCs and vehicle test drives ensures normal operations are restored. Finally, integrating ongoing preventive maintenance practices can significantly prolong sensor lifespan and vehicle functionality, ensuring a more reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.